Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have an unboxing with Inno Supps. Inno Supps is a supplement company that I absolutely love. I've worked with them so much before and I really love the quality of their supplements. I feel like whatever they say you're getting is what you're getting, which is really important in the supplement world. So we are going to be unboxing the brand new Inno Shred GLP-1. Okay, I love that they always include a couple extra goodies in the box. So we have the Volcaren 2000, which I actually had a big bottle of this that I'm out of. So excited to have the little baby one in Tropical Blast. Then we have a few little, so we have the regular Inno Shred, we have Inno Fast, and we have Inno Greens. That's exciting. And the night shred, I love the night shred. This is so nice. So it has like a nighttime recovery complex, melatonin to help you go to sleep. Love the night shred. But what we're here for is the Inno Shred GLP-1. I'm sure you've heard all about GLP-1. That if that rings a bell, there are lots of injectable weight loss drugs these days. And so that just works with your body to control your food cravings. So the injectables have that kind of a effect, as well as the Inno Shred GLP-1. So you're probably wondering, if all these injectables are controlling that food noise, how are they doing it with the Inno Supps? So this is formulated with berberine, and there's tons of scientific studies with berberine. If you just Google berberine, you're gonna see it come up. That is actually a natural way that it is having that similar effect, controlling that food noise, controlling those cravings. So you can really stay on track with whatever you're trying to do, reach your goals. I think for me personally, I have no problem working out. Like, I love working out. It really is the food for me, and it really is those cravings. So something like this that's going to naturally control those cravings is definitely a great option. So this is the Inno Shred formula. So you're also going to get that revved up metabolism. There are lots of B vitamins, which are going to give you a little bit of extra energy. There's also some caffeine from green coffee bean extract. So that is also going to give you just a little kick to start your day, or like if you are taking it before the gym. I would say probably this would be something that you would want to take earlier in the day though, so that you get the full fat burning effects as well as that craving control. So if we look at our instructions, they do recommend to take it as a dietary supplement. One serving is 2 capsules, 1 to 2 times per day. And for best results, take 30 to 60 minutes before meals or your workout, and do not exceed the recommended dose. So this might be something that you could start slow. They do recommend that you take 2 for the full benefits, but someone like me, like I might just start with 1, see how it feels, and then take more as I go along. 2 of the ingredients included that are really going to rev up your metabolism are the grains of paradise seed extract called paradoxine, and the alpha yohimbine, which is from Rowolfia root extract. So that is going to just give you that extra boost. So you're controlling the cravings, you're getting the thermogenic benefits. So hopefully you're reaching those goals even faster. So I just want to say thank you to Inno Supps for partnering with me again. I love working with them. I love their products. I am really excited to check this one out because, like I said, it's the food cravings that I really deal with, especially at work on the break table when there's like cookies and cakes just sitting around, or people bring in donuts. Those are the things that really can derail me. So something like a supplement like this Inno Shred GLP-1 is definitely going to give me a little bit of extra support so that I can look the other way, I can stick to my goals, and hopefully just have a really healthy new year. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to Inno Supps for partnering, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.